AI is changing the world. Everyone is talking about artificial intelligence. But what if someone asked you to explain machine learning, generative AI, or AI chatbots in simple language? If that feels difficult, this course is designed for you. Hi, I'm your instructor from Merit Mentor Pro Learning Hub. I'm a mechanical engineer, a product and UX designer, a design thinking coach, and a mentor. I created this course to help everyday learners understand the essential AI concepts that are becoming increasingly important in today's world. You don't need programming experience, advanced mathematics, or a technical background. This course breaks down AI into clear, practical, and easy to understand lessons designed for absolute beginners. You will learn the essential AI concepts, terminology, technologies, applications, opportunities, limitations, and ethical considerations that everyone should understand in the modern world. Now, whether you're a student, professional, entrepreneur, educator, or simply curious about the future, this course will help you build practical AI literacy and confidence. So enroll today in AI Literacy for Everyone, Artificial Intelligence Essentials, and gain the knowledge you need to understand and navigate the AI-powered world with confidence. I look forward to seeing you inside the course.